the vlog. I don't know how I'm going to put this vlog together, but I filmed some clips of a before of our lounge and us decorating, and I thought I would chat. I thought I would show you our progress with our first painted wall. Are you excited, Sam?
So excited.
Sam's doing the frog. Sam's doing the frog tape, so we can paint this bit white. But yeah, are you ready for the reveal of our first accent wall, feature wall, coloured wall? It looks amazing. It's still drying after second coat. Oh my god, but it looks amazing. Here we go. This is the after. It's the most gorgeous, like dark navy. It's got kind of a little bit of purple kind of undertones, we think. I'll show you the painting in a sec. But it is looking amazing. We're going to paint these walls white. We've bought the paint today, and that's why Sam is frog taping around here where we're going to paint. We found out that I'm no good at that, didn't we?
You just haven't got the eye for detail.
But I'm very good at painting, and it's extremely therapeutic as well. It literally looks incredible. I love it. This is the paint that we used, if anyone is interested, and if you're decorating. Oh, this is so cool, literally showing the colour behind it. It looks amazing. It's a crown paint, but like teamed up with Elle. It's like a designer brand, isn't it? And the colour is number 275, Immersed, and it is just beautiful. It just looks so, well, we think, it looks so luxurious. And this isn't like the most expensive brand of paint, but it's not cheap. I think it was £35 for this tub, which is 2.5 litres. We just love this colour. Some of the navies just weren't working for us because they were too blue, whereas this has got that kind of deep richness. Oh, I'm very happy with it. We are very happy with it, aren't we?
Delighted.
I look like a hot mess right now. We've been to Home Base, like I said, to get the white paint. It's quite late on in the day, but it's actually a Dulux 1 coat, supposedly. You need 1 coat.
Once.
So we'll see, once. And I think I deserve a gin and tonic because I've done a lot of painting today and there's a lot to celebrate right now. This is our little temporary lounge setup. You chilling there? While I cook dinner. We want this to be like more of a dining room, don't we? So, but while we're painting that front room, we've obviously got our blow up sofa in here. I am, oh, excuse me, just burped. I'm cooking some chicken and potato wedges and veggies, and we've had some cocktails, and this is the amazing wall. Look how beautiful that is. We are so happy with it. We obviously need to finish the white, but it's coming along pretty nicely. Looks so murky. That original colour is just bleh. But we are so happy with how this looks. It's amazing in electric light. Okay, let's eat and watch Ozark. And I don't even know if you can hear me over the sizzling chicken, but look at our fridge. It is amazing. Sam, you put that speaker there. It looks really bizarre. But yes, this is our beautiful black fridge, which we are obsessed with. Massive Samsung fridge. It is epic. We need to get it plumbed. I talked about this in my previous vlog. Whoa, this is really steamy. But yeah, we are so happy with it. It's going to be so amazing and hopefully last us ages. It's got a 10-year warranty. We've got a bin, which doesn't really match, but you know, it's functional. And our beautiful drinks cabinet, which now has a top to it. Again, in my last vlog, this is from Wayfair, and it came with a missing piece, but now it is looking beautiful. I feel like I should have filmed this in daylight. It's not very put together, but you know, it's just a vlog. Good morning, everyone. I'm looking fresh this morning. I haven't done my hair yet. It is a Sunday now. We have been living here for about just under 2 weeks. I think the last time I vlogged, I showed like our fridge and everything, and we'd just started painting the lounge, which I'm going to show you the finished result now. We are obsessed with it. But yeah, I haven't picked up the camera for a couple of days, so I thought I would today. We are going for a Sunday roast, so I might take you along with us. And we've also started decorating the upstairs bathroom, so I'll show you a couple of bits in this vlog. Let's go downstairs. The first thing to show you is in the hall, as we have, oh, it's super echoey because we've moved all the furniture out of the front room. This is our new coat hook. Oh, I need to take my yoga mat upstairs. That does not live there. I just did a cheeky bit of yoga this morning, hence the sports bra. but you've probably seen this before. And then we've got our coat hooks. I'm just so happy with kind of how we've made use of this space, basically. But on to the main event. This is our freshly painted front room, which we're having as a lounge. All of the walls are lovely and white. Ta-da! They were like that horrible beigey brown before. And we are just so happy with this gorgeous navy wall. So yeah, we just need our sofa to come, and we've got a TV stand and a coffee table and stuff arriving from Next on Friday. We've also got some white panel blinds coming, Venetian blinds with tapes, and we're going to put the giant mirror in the other room, which I'll show you in a sec, in the centre of this wall. I also want this to be like a photo wall, and we're going to get a little unit for here, and it's going to be amazing. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the mirror I'm referring to. It is the IKEA 110 centimetre one, which is like gold dust. I don't think I've spoken about it yet, but Sam managed to get it from Nottingham, practically break his car getting it into the boot. But we have it, and it is beautiful, and it's going to go on that navy wall. Should we put that up today? Or at some point in the next couple of days?
We can do. We need to make sure we decide where you want it on the wall. Because
in the centre?
Even once the sofa's in though.
I think so, yeah. I think because of the way the room is, it just needs to go smack bang in the centre. We just need to decide on the height.
Yeah, well, we can do that later if you like.
Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
So exciting. Obviously this is our little temporary setup. It's actually really nice because of the skylights. It's a bit colder at the moment. When the sun is out, it heats up really nicely like a conservatory. We need to get a recycling bin. Because I just hate looking at a yellow Sainsbury's bag all the time. Yes, I did a little bit of a reshuffle of the stuff on top of here, and it looks so cute. We're just obsessed with our drinks cabinet, aren't we?
Indeed.
And we've been drinking lots of red wine from Morrison's. We're currently on the I Heart range. We love an Argentinian Malbec, and this is Argentinian, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, wine of Argentina, Mendoza. So yeah, that one's really good. And we also had, just in case anyone is a wine lover and a Morrison shopper, we also had this one already, which was like heavily reduced on special offer. So we bought it again, because we've always got to keep this nicely stocked, although we're missing one now. And we just love our fridge. I didn't really show it in daylight yet, so this is it. We did a massive shop a couple of days ago. So we have all the food. This is paint stuff because we need to do a second coat today, so it stops it from drying out. And we've got a few bits in the freezer as well. Hello. And the mirror is up. We are super happy with this. We put our inflatable sofa back in here to kind of earmark where our sofa will be. So we didn't put the mirror completely central. I was like standing against the wall to fit it in, because we've got like an ottoman there. I want people to be able to sit against the wall if they want to. Absolutely love this mirror so much. It just means that when you come in, even from the hall, that there's a mirror right there, and it is amazing. Comes straight in. I need to find something better to clean it because it's looking a little smeared, but I'm so happy with that. I'm all ready now to go for our walk and roast. Sam is just getting ready. I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what we're doing in the upstairs bathroom I mentioned earlier. We're not sure we love the colour. I can't remember if I said that, but we're not blown away by it. We went for like a light grey. I was out of breath. And it's looking a little bit purpley, but once all the tape's off and it's fully dry and we put the mirror on, we're going to see how we feel. But this is what it looks like. This is with the light on. I don't know if you can tell, it's just got slight kind of purpley toned. I'm not sure how much is going to be able to fit in here. It's quite a small room. It's actually not looking too bad, but it does have a bit of a purple tone, which we aren't loving. Oh, it looks a good grey there. That's kind of what we were vibing. But yeah, in some lights it's a bit too purple. But anyway, this is the paint. It is called Chic Shadow. We've gone for the bathroom one obviously so that it holds up well. But yeah, we just think that it's more purple than on here. But maybe it's just us. And also we did the swatches in the downstairs bathroom, which is a bit bigger and lighter. So I think maybe because this is more boxy, it's a little bit more shadowed. But look there, don't you think that looks really purple? I don't know. We'll see what it looks like.
Right.
I just showed the vlog our mirror in the lounge.
Oh yeah.
Good job. We're a little bit late now because that took quite a long time, didn't it?
Yeah.
Using your drill. I am starving.
Walk into the pub.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Ready for the roast?
We're taking the scenic route. This is our favourite field. It's the cornfield.
So we're in the process of trying the top 10 TripAdvisor restaurants in Reigate.
Yep.
I think we've done, well, you've done a couple more than me, but
we've done Giggling Squid.
Yeah.
We've done the pizza place because we had a delivery from there, Monte Forte.
Yep.
Bill's is on there, weirdly. We went there with my dad last week.
Done that, yeah.
We've done a pub. What was that called?
Skimmington.
I can't hold up 4 fingers. How weird is that? Anyway, a pub. I can't do that. The claw.
I think it's because of the way your fence attendant is. Anyway,
a pub
Won't
called
go into it.
Skimmington where we had an amazing steak and ale, pie and chips. That's number 1, isn't it?
Skimmington Castle. Yeah, that was number 1, I think. Yeah.
Yep.
It was pretty good food.
And I've been to a burger place called 88 Burger, which was epic with my mum. That's
Yeah.
5. And we're trying this one today, so that's 6. So after today, we would have done 6.
I think we've done another one as well, haven't we?
Have we? I don't know if we have. Then the other ones on there is like that Nepalese place.
We tried. Oh, Nepalese place number 1.
Yeah.
The pub we did last time was number 2. Yeah. We
Yeah.
need to try the Nepalese place for sure.
But anyway, this place is meant to be really good, and I'm super excited to have a roast. We love living in the countryside, don't we?
So nice.
It looks like it's about to pour though.
This is literally 5 minutes from our house without telling you exactly where we live.
It's so windy. Yeah, we can't wait to get a dog because it would just be so fun. But, oh, you might not be able to hear because it's windy. But we've done a few walks now and we just absolutely love it. So yeah, we will talk to you after our roast. What have you got there?
A taster.
We've got
a pint.
We've got a fussy beer taster here, and I'm getting a cocktail. Hello, it is now the next day because we are terrible vloggers. We had that delicious roast yesterday and walked about an hour home, which was really nice. Nice to get some fresh countryside air. And today, what have we done today? I feel like today's gone so fast. We have been out and about, went to the dump to put some garden waste away, didn't we? Throw some garden waste away. What else did we do? We went to Sainsbury's to get mainly homeware bits because we've done a food shop recently. And we went to Homebase to get more paint and supplies and things. We bought a Breville sandwich maker, which has been amazing. So we had a nice ham and cheese toastie for lunch. It was on special offer on Sainsbury's, so I thought, why not? I was going to get one off Amazon in the end, wasn't I?
I'm just trying to decide what to do with this paint stuff. I might just throw this away.
Yeah, stick it in the bin. And now we are in our decorating attire.
We don't need this anymore, do you?
No. Can you shh? And we're about to paint the second bathroom. We've bought it's really echoey in here. We've bought a slightly different paint. We're pretty sure it's probably gonna look the same. But I can't even remember if I showed the bathroom fully. I actually really like the colour up there now. It looks nice. It is definitely a bit lilac. Is that the one we're going for?
That's the new one.
So I already showed the Dulux one. We've gone for Crown now. Crown soft steel. And in the picture on their website, it looks really nice in the bathroom, but we obviously realised that it completely depends on the lighting and everything. So it may also come out purpley, but it looks fresh and light grey and nice, which is what we're going for. So we're just gonna go for it. We've not even done a swatch. We're so wild. I am loving this mirror in here. I'll go show you a before of the bathroom. I'm gonna paint this white this week as well. This is the bathroom currently, so it's the same colour as everywhere. Here goes a cheeky little before shot. And then I will show you it after. It's looking good. I've been doing the edges. It's nice, it's lighter than the other one, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's nicer.
I think it will look good.
I'm happy with it.
Morning, it is now a couple of days later. Yesterday we had like a big IKEA home sense next home kind of day. Bought loads of like bits and bobs that we needed. Just realised this was down and probably looked really bizarre. But we need to go out in a second, so I'm going to keep this really short, but I realised I haven't shown the bathroom yet. We're really liking it, it's looking really fresh. We've got lots more to do in there. I thought I'd show you it now. The colour is quite lilac, which apparently is unavoidable with greys. But I will show you it anyway, and we are really happy with it. So you come in, and we've got our matching mirror up, so the same as the top bathroom. and this cloud is from Homebase, just makes it look really green. And yeah, so this is the Crown Soft Steel, I think. The lighting is quite like a murky day. But we're super happy. We've just kept it really minimalist right now. Got this fake plant from IKEA, and this bath rack is from Amazon. But yeah, we're really happy with how it turned out. I've got matching grey towels. Hello! I can paint some shelves there and some prints and stuff over here. But yes, we are super happy with how that turned out. Then Sam's gonna kill me because we're about to go out, but I'm just rounding this up. Oh, my hair has come untouched and I look crazy. But Sam put up our blinds in here. Oh, they look amazing. We went to bed super late last night, didn't we? Because you were up till late working hard on these beauties.
3 hours, I think.
I know. But yeah, this is what they look like. We went for blinds from Blinds Direct, and they're Venetian tape blinds. We went for like the tape ribbon instead of the strings. So yeah, this room is looking pretty swish. I got this plant from IKEA. It's the same one we used to have, but it's looking fresh. That won't stay here because we're obviously getting a sofa at some point whenever that decides to arrive. But yeah, let's open the blinds. Ta-da! Oof, look at those. They just look so smart, and I like that you can see them in the reflection. I am going to love you and leave you now. Those are our main kind of house updates. I can't believe our week off together is coming to an end. We've had the most incredible, well, 2 weeks really. I'm back to work on Monday as normal, and Sam starts his new job next Wednesday. So today we're gonna go out for brunch, and we've got just so many bits and bobs to do around the house, and we've got some more furniture coming tomorrow. So I will start a new vlog at some point, but that is it for now. I really hope that you have enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, click the subscribe button for lots more content, and I will see you in the next one.